tequila sunrise, only not a tequila sunrise. We're making a vodka sunrise. So, basically like tequila sunrise, only with vodka instead. If you don't like tequila, it's a great drink. So, you just need a cup of ice, you need your favorite vodka, orange juice, and just a dash of grenadine. So, we'll start with our vodka. This is a 16-ounce bar glass, about a half a dozen ice cubes. And I'm going to put about 1.5 ounces of vodka, so somewhere in there. Then, we're going to top off with some orange juice. So really right now, you got your typical screwdriver. And then, the reason it's called a sunrise is you put just a dash of grenadine in it. And look at that. Kind of looks like a sunrise with all the different reds and oranges. Beautiful. Now, only thing left to do is taste this. Let's give it a try. Alrighty. If you order one of these at the bar, don't let them stir it. It ruins the effect of the sunrise. I don't want a pink drink. I want a sunrise. It's going to mix by itself as you drink it. That's a tasty beverage right there. Thanks for stopping at my channel. Remember, click that thumbs up, like this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Have a great day.